Changing your password on Shopify is a straightforward process that helps keep your account secure. Follow these steps to update your password. Step 1. Log into your Shopify account. Visit the Shopify website and enter your credentials to log into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your account name or profile icon located in the top right corner of the dashboard to access the account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Security Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Security or Password section. Click on it to proceed to the Password Management options. Step 4. Enter your current password. You will be prompted to enter your current password for verification. Type in your existing password to confirm your identity. Step 5. Set a new password. After verification, enter your new password in the designated fields. Make sure it meets the security requirements, then save the changes to update your password. By following these steps, you can successfully change your password on Shopify and enhance the security of your account.